What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? Welcome to another highly anticipated video. Okay, this is essentially my Forex trading strategy that won't give you every single day setups, but you can take at least one a week, okay, and you'll be able to find multiple during multiple weeks using different Forex pairs, but I usually like to just stick to one pair, and for me, it's GBP JPY. And we just recently took a trade off this on the Discord, and a lot of people were like, "Yo, how'd you take that trade?" And I was like, "Well, it was with a strategy that I used like pretty much like years ago now." So yeah, we'll get into it. Essentially, we're just gonna jump right in. Okay, so essentially, all we are doing is going to be outlining the previous week's highs and lows. Wowzers. How the hell did that happen? All we're doing is outlining the previous week's highs and lows. Okay? All right. So, obviously, this is in hindsight because we're deep into this new week already, but what we're going to do with this is highlight, right? Let's say this week just formed. We're heading into Monday. That's what we would do, right? Mark out these highs, mark out these lows. Okay? All that you're going to do from there, right? This is the low. This is the high. You are essentially treating these weekly levels as liquidity. Okay? So it's still pretty much using the same strategy just on a higher time frame. Okay? So these weekly highs and lows are now essentially liquidity for us. This is on AUD USD. We'll go into GBP USD, Euro USD, and GBP JPY to backtest this some more. Okay, and we can even do it on gold. All right, but essentially, right, we're looking for a sweep of liquidity or just a test into the high of this weekly range. Right, anything above here is fair game, and then it's the same strategy. Okay, we're looking for a break of structure. When do we get the break of structure? Right here, right? And then we're using literally every single other piece of information that I've given you guys as part of the strategy. Okay, so boom. Wow, my thing's lagging. Short position. Okay, stop either above this high or you can just set it to the top of that weekly range. And then for take profits, for shorts, it's going to be the daily low, okay? The daily low of the previous daily candle, okay, prior to the sweep. Okay, so on this was the daily low, okay? Boom. As you can see, right, break of structure, stop up here, decent risk-reward ratio, take profit, taken out. Okay, let's go into another pair and back test it. Right, I was doing this on Zoom the other day, so this is kind of what it looks like. But I'll just leave all these on for us. So right here, as we can see, okay, boom, high, low of the weekly, okay, go into the 1 hour time frame, right? We see this weekly level get pierced, comes back down, comes up, comes down, breaks structure right here. Break structure right here with this candlestick. That's what we're entering on, the close of this candle. Stop either at the weekly range, right up here, or above these highs. Okay, and then take profit, boom. At the previous daily low. My screen is glitching really bad right now. All right. It's probably because I'm uploading YouTube videos. Continuing, Euro USD. Let's head into the weekly. Okay, previous week, we have the high right here. Wow, man, my thing is glitching. Weekly low right here. 1 hour. This was the low. This was the high. Which one got hit first? The low got hit first. Or All right, what are we looking for? A break in structure, right? We tap in, come up, nothing, move up, move down. That creates a high right here. Boom, we get a closure above it. Long position off that. Stop underneath the sweep. Right here on this, I wouldn't put it at the weekly range just because we were so close to it, right? I'd have it under here or under here. We'll do it under here just to, you know, worst case scenario. Okay, and then we go to the daily. Find the previous daily high. Right here. Boom. 1 hour. Move this right on up. Beautiful. Okay, take profit hit. All right, next one, GBP JPY. And we're currently in a trade on this. I'll do this one last, or I'll do gold first, and then we'll do GBP JPY last because it's a little bit different. Okay, so gold, same thing. High, low, 1 hour. Okay, this was the previous week's low. We come in, move up, move down, move up, move down, boom, break of structure right here. Long after the break of structure, stop. Right underneath here, go to the daily. Previous daily high. Right there. 1 hour. Beauty. Just like that. All right, that's all you need. Okay. Now let's go into GBP JPY. Okay, I'll remove all these drawings. And this is what happens right? This is what you should do when it goes past the high or the low and you don't see a reaction, okay? So if we go in here, we see this is the low, this is the high, right? We come close to the low on this. We never end up hitting it though. We come through the high, but we push all the way past it, right? On the 4 hour, we're closing past this. On the daily, we're closing past it. So it's not valid liquidity, right? It's the same type of idea as our liquidity sweeps on the S&P 500. This time it's just on Forex, all right, on a higher time frame, right? We moved way past that. Okay, so then what are we looking for? We're looking for the next weekly range, our next area of liquidity. Boom. All right, scale to the 1 hour. We can see we hit it right here, all right? So then boom, right? It's just like our S&P 500 strategy, okay? So we're monitoring the lows, waiting for a break of structure, waiting for a break of structure. We get a break of structure, perfect retest on up. Either enter on the break of structure, enter whenever the hell you want, boom. Stop right up there. And then go into the daily. This is the previous low. So we were unfortunately not able to catch this trade, but we were able to catch a retracement right in here with stops above here. First take profit was right here. Second take profit down here. Or no, this was not where my stops were. My stops were higher than that. Yeah. They were a little bit lower than that, though. It was like a 1 to 8. Yep. Just like this. Okay? Yeah, it was a 30 pip stop loss. Boom. This is the trade that we're still in. We already took profits right here at take profit 1. Okay, I just marked that off there as just the low of previous New York session, okay, because we did have to do an interim entry. But any other entry, right, like this one, if we were stops above there, my first take profit is going to be that daily low. And as you can see, we've already passed our first take profit coming in to target this. Okay, so boom. That's really all it is, you guys. We're using those weekly ranges okay, as potential areas of liquidity. Like I said, this won't give you a trade every single. It's not letting me. It's not letting me delete the drawings. Holy shit. Yeah, this isn't going to give you guys. This isn't going to give you guys a trade every single day like the S&P does. Okay, and I've given you the Forex strategy for day-to-day stuff. But I just figured, you know what? We'll post this. All right, give you guys some free sauce. Wow, this shit is still not. I'm removing all this. All right. So give you guys some free sauce. Give you guys an extra potential trade to take for the week. Right? I like doing this on GBP, JPY, any of the major US pairs, okay? And then gold is great too. This does not apply to the S&P 500 though, okay? Don't try and do this on the S&P 500. Stick to doing it on Forex pairs, okay? So, yeah, really simple. Super easy to do, all right? Identify your weekly range cap, okay? Use those lines and those weekly ranges as liquidity, right? Wait for a break of structure on the 1 hour. Target the previous daily high or daily low, okay? When we're going short, we're targeting the previous daily low. When we're going long, we're targeting the previous daily high, all right? Take your profits there. Only need one stop loss, one take profit for it all. And yeah, that's pretty much it, right? And if it closes above the weekly and doesn't give a reaction off of it, don't trade it, right? Same thing as our S&P 500 strat. If it doesn't give you a setup, don't take it. Cool? Cool. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of people were asking for this video to come out. When I showed them on the Zoom call, they were like, yo, you need to post this on YouTube. Other people were saying to gatekeep it, but I'm not going to gatekeep anything from you guys because, like I said, I want to turn you guys profitable for free. All right, so with that being said, that's all for me. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you.